In this video, you learn how to add a threaded part to a pet bottle model in FreeCAD 1.1. The link to design this bottle model is in the description. First, make sure the Part Design Workbench is selected. Then create a new body for the thread. Press F2 to rename the body. Enter Thread and press Enter to apply. Make sure the body is active, otherwise double-click on it. Now select the Fasteners Workbench and click on this button to add a threaded rod. To get rid of all these buttons, switch back to the Part Design Workbench. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag the threaded rod inside the thread body. Release the mouse button to place it. You see it's located at the bottom here. Select the thread body and expand the Placement menu by clicking the small arrow. Now expand the Position menu and enter 262 mm for the Z-axis. The threaded rod will move to the top of the bottle. The position depends on the height of the bottle. Select the original threaded rod and enter a size of M30. Also check the thread box to model real thread. Click on the top face of the threaded rod and create a new sketch. And select the Circle from Center tool. Click on the origin, enter a diameter of 25 mm and press Enter to apply. Click on Close to exit the sketch. To cut the circle out, select the Pocket tool. For the type, select Through All. Click on OK to apply. Now create a new sketch and select the YZ plane. You already see the cut in the threaded rod is aligned with the bottle's wall. To remove a small part of the threaded rod, select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle of 28 by 3 mm. Press Enter to apply. Select the Dimension tool. Click on a lower vertex and drag the mouse. Click Enter 20 mm and press Enter to apply. Click the right mouse button to exit the Dimension tool. Only one symmetrical constraint is needed. Click on these two vertices and then on the vertical axis. Then click on this button to add a symmetrical constraint. To remove the redundant constraint, click on this number and press Delete. Click on Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. To cut the rectangle out, select the Pocket tool. For the type, select Through All. For the mode, select Symmetric to cut it to both sides. Click on OK to apply. You see the threaded part is aligned with the bottleneck. Let's edit this sketch of the bottle model. The bottleneck has a diameter of 28 mm. And the thickness was created 1.5 mm to the inside. That's why the circle that was cut out has a diameter of 25 mm, which is the opening of the bottleneck. Click on Close to exit this sketch. To create a temporary section view, click on the View tab and select Clipping View. Select Clipping Y to cut the view. And you see the bottleneck is perfectly aligned with the threaded rod. Click on Close to exit the section view. It could also be interesting to model a threaded cap for this bottle and 3D print the parts to see if they fit. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.